The hype was truly something. Apple announced the Vision Pro, and the tech world held its breath. Now in 2025 it's been with us. It promised to redefine our digital lives. Apple called it spatial computing. Crafted from aluminum and curved glass, it looks like high-fashion ski goggles. The design is sleek, undeniably modern. Putting it on is an experience. A small dial helps get it just right. Suddenly your world transforms. Your familiar room is still there, but now, digital elements float within it. The clarity of the micro OLED displays is stunning. Apps and windows hang in the air. It feels like stepping into a movie, a science fiction dream made real. The Vision Pro certainly delivers that awe. So, how do you control this future? Primarily with your eyes. The Vision Pro watches where you look. Gaze at an app icon, it highlights. Then a simple tap of your fingers, your thumb and index finger together. This gesture means click. External cameras track your hand movements. You can also swipe to scroll through content. Siri is, of course, integrated deeply. You can ask Siri to open applications or dictate a quick message. Eyes, hands, and voice work together. Is there a learning curve? For the basics, it's quite gentle, but mastering everything takes time. Let's talk about entertainment. Imagine watching your favorite movie, not on a television screen but on a colossal virtual display. The Vision Pro can create this. Any room becomes your private cinema. The audio is spatial, surrounding you. What about getting work done? The Vision Pro aims to change that too. You can create multiple virtual displays. Your Mac's screen can appear before you. Arrange your apps in 3D space. FaceTime on Vision Pro uses personas. These are realistic digital avatars of you. It's a step towards personal virtual presence. Now let's address the challenges. Battery life is 1. You get around 2 hours per charge. For longer use, you'll need the cable. The battery pack is external, worn separately. Then there's the price. The Apple Vision Pro costs a lot. Several $1,000s in fact. This puts it beyond many budgets. It's positioned as a premium product. Comfort is another consideration. Wearing any headset for hours can be tiring. There's also the sense of isolation. So who is this remarkable device for? Developers are a key audience. The Vision Pro is a fascinating chapter.